Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazing Kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. Today we are making some delicious coconut popsicles, so let's get right into it. In my bowl here, I have some coconut milk, just a regular one from the supermarket. To it, I'm going to add some skimmed milk. And I'm also going to add some condensed milk, and I will list all the ingredients with the measurements in the description box below. Next, I'm going to whisk everything together until well combined. The condensed milk is a bit thick, so you want to whisk it well. When that's done, you're going to taste to see if it is sweetened enough to your preference. If it's not, you add more of the condensed milk. I then transferred my mixture into a cup to make it easier for me to pour it into my popsicle molds. Now, if you don't have a popsicle mold, don't worry, I will show you in a minute how you can still make this recipe and enjoy yourself some popsicles. All you need is a freezer-proof cup, like this plastic cup I have here. I'm going to pour the mixture in it, but not all the way up, maybe halfway through. Cover it with some foil and then make a hole in it. And we are going to use this spoon as the stick. So all you do is to make the hole and push the handle of the spoon through it. Just like this. You are now going to cover it and freeze it. I left mine overnight in the freezer and it is now frozen, looking very solid, so it's time to unmold. And all we need is a bowl of warm water, and I'm going to put the mold in the water to help it release for about 5 to 10 seconds. You don't want to go more than that, if not your popsicle will begin to melt, and we don't want that. Just look at that. So gorgeous, so beautiful, and it was so delicious. Now let's do the one we poured in the cup. Just look at this. This is what makes cooking fun and exciting to me. Doing with what you have available. I mean, just look at how gorgeous this popsicle is looking, and it tasted amazing. That is why I always say that cooking should be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!